All right, whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm just nervous. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, do you want some crunchy chips that you want to dip into your favorite dip, but you don't want the carbs? Well, why don't you make an avocado chip? Hello. Let's go. I mean, if you're gonna have avocado, why not have tequila? And I'm not selfish, I share. So I made one for Jason too. Salud, Jason.
Salud.
This one's easy. This is not that complicated, and this is not gonna be a fail. This is what you need. One avocado, right? We're gonna put this in here. We're gonna add half of a squeeze of a lemon, you know? I can't juggle, but it's fine. Now, truth be told, we're gonna find out together if this avocado was good enough. Thank you, Jesus.
But she's beautiful.
Right.
I wore this outfit because this morning I was going on a listing appointment and I thought it was professional, but yet still, you know, relatable for summer. And then I came home wanting to do this, and now I'm hot. And I think it also might make me look a little plump.
She's like a thick white girl.
She's a what?
She's thick, like she has a nice butt, so.
Half of a squeeze of a lemon. The other one you obviously use for your cocktail. Look at that, come on. I love the smell of lemon. So you're gonna mash this up, but while I'm mashing it up, we can talk. So my first time going to Capri, I was just about to turn 21. So I saved up some money and I took myself to Europe. I had no idea about Capri except for what I Googled, and I sat at this cafe and they asked me what I wanted, and I looked at the menu and I asked for limoncello, and they had like their homemade chocolates like on the island. So I got drunk by myself at 7 o'clock in the morning on limoncello, and it's the best memory of my life. So 3/4 cup of some shredded Parmesan cheese. Yes, I'm using my hands. We're family here, we don't care. You could take a little half a teaspoon of any kind of garlic seasoning you like. There we go. So far, easy, right? If you want your kids to eat healthier, hello, this is something that you can have them do. It's so much fun. Get yourself a little sheet pan. You can use parchment paper, or you can use like these little Silpat, whatever they call them. I got them at Williams-Sonoma. Oh, grrr.
And a large popcorn.
A large? You got money. He got money. Get it all for him.
So the key to this is making them very thin, right? So I don't really measure out a lot of stuff. So sometimes the chips come out bigger than they need to. Do take the time to make sure they're thin. You want a crispy chip, and you don't want them to have to bake forever. So I already think like that was too much. You repeat. You have your oven set to 325 degrees, and you're gonna bake for 35 minutes, but depending on how great your oven is, mine's a little crazy sometimes, it might take longer.
That's what good sounds like.
This is the part where I would like to be sitting on the sofa while my sous chef did this. Okay. Take this, oven's already been preheated. Again, 325 degrees, 35 minutes. Take my little timer that I love. 35 minutes, he's gonna let me know. Ooh, smell it. Yes, they're supposed to look like this, Jason.
She is very gorgeous to me.
It's avocado, right? So they brown. They are not burned. If they came out green, that means they're not done. You need them crispy. A little salt. As much salt as you want, right? Like I said, I was gonna do hummus, but today it's gonna be some organic salsa. So who doesn't like chips and salsa? Ah. So this is essentially what you have as your snack, right? No, I did not make the salsa. I did make the cocktail. Smells salty. It's gonna be a good crunch. So, dip it in your little salsa. It's like a cheese crisp, but like hot. Very crunchy. Googled the carbohydrates per serving of like an avocado, but it's cheese, garlic salt, regular salt, a little bit of lemon, which is good for you, and some avocado, which is good fat. This is a hit, see? I didn't waste my avocado today. It would have just gone in the trash. Now it's going to me. Okay. So this was an easy snack. I don't expect you to love me for it, but in case you do love me for it, hit the like button, comment, subscribe. Did I say comment or comment? And ring the notifications bell so you can get updates on, when I'm gonna do something next. And now my husband's calling, so I'm gonna go eat this chip and talk to him. Until next time, bye. Hello?